Hey there iPhone and iPad users, do you ever find yourself wanting to type the iconic Apple symbol, but you're not quite sure how to do it? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you a handy trick to type the Apple logo symbol with your iPhone or iPad. Get ready to impress all your friends and family with this cool little trick. Before we dive into this tutorial, I just want to give you a heads up. The Apple symbol is unique characters that only displays with compatible software. So, while it works perfectly on the iPhone and iPad, it won't show up if you send it to someone using an Android phone, for instance, or any other non-Apple device, so just keep that in mind. Alright, let's get started. The quickest and easiest way to enter the Apple symbol on your iOS device is by setting up a keyboard shortcut using the text replacement feature. Here's how we're going to do it. First, copy the Apple logo symbol from the description below this video. Next, go to your device's settings. Now we're in the settings, scroll down and tap on General. From there, select Keyboard. Now find and tap on Text Replacement. This is where the magic happens. Text replacement allows you to create shortcuts for commonly used phrases or, in our case, the Apple symbol. Tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen to add a new shortcut. Tap and hold the phase field and paste the symbol you copied earlier. Make sure the symbol is pasted correctly and it should appear in the phase field. In the shortcut field, enter a shortcut of choice. For example, I'll use APL. Your shortcut should be something short and easy to remember, but unique enough that you won't accidentally trigger it while typing regular words. Once you've entered the shortcut, tap on Save and save your text replacement. And guess what? Text replacement isn't just limited to the Apple symbol. You can create shortcuts for any text replacement you want to use. Plus, thanks to iCloud, these shortcuts will sync across all your devices, including your iPad and even your Mac. So let's head to the notes and let's type APL. And as you can see, the Apple logo appears for us to tap on, and we can enter the Apple logo anywhere where we can type APL. And it will show up so we can add the Apple logo. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful tutorials, Apple related content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy typing.